a good Friday morning on this lovely November 8th here in Florida. It's 10:40. We got 82 degrees. Humidity is low. So where are we? Well, we're just taking a ride out by the back of Mayaka State Park on Clay Gully Road. I haven't been out here in quite some time, so I figured what I would do, see what's up. There's a few twisty turny turns here, and yeah, I figured I'd do those and head over towards Arcadia, get some gas, and then take all those county back roads back up to I guess State Road 62 and head home. Be 100 and some odd miles. Be a good way to kill a Florida morning. Oh, how about a big thumbs up and give me that big like button and comment down below. Yeah, seeing where I got nobody behind me. And go slow. Oh, Mayaka River's way up. Yep. Oh, I spotted an alligator way off on the bank. No way I could have zoomed in and seen it. So yeah, that's it. Figured stop sign in the middle of nowhere. Okay. Why? Iron grates, just what I like. Not even iron grates, iron plates. The biker's worst nightmare. You know, when I first started riding through here years ago, this was just a big canopy. But between Hurricane Irma, Hurricane Ian, the tropical storm that became a hurricane, what was it, Helene? And then Milton, yeah, kind of ruined that canopy. Which is a shame. Yeah, I haven't been this way in a while. Couple of months anyways. I like it, it's quiet. There's usually not that much, this much traffic out here. I mean, it is a Friday. I hope you enjoy the scenery. You know what I should do one of these days is I should go out about 11 o'clock on a weekday night and take a ride through downtown Bradenton and Sarasota and show you what the nightlife is like down there. But I don't like riding in the city in the daytime, let alone at night, because it seems like, I don't know, seems like more yahoos are out at night. Don't you know? You know, one of the things I do think is funny is I had a neighbor and she couldn't believe that I wasn't upset at how much damage was done to my house, how I could be so calm. Well, you know something? I I can't control what the weather does. And does it suck? Yeah, of course it sucks. I mean, I'm gonna be throwing all my Sturgis 2025 money at fixing my house because my insurance company decided to drop me back in July at some time. Was it June or July? I forget. But anyways, they dropped me and I was never able to get any insurance, so here's what it is. I mean, as they say, suck it up, buttercup. You can't let something, I mean, you know, it's the carport. Well, not even a carport. It's the lanai roof and less than half the shed. So, I mean, if that's gonna ruin my life, I got bigger issues. I do have issues, but man, to let something like that, you know, some aluminum, please. Anyways, that's my story. I'm sticking to it, and I am going to try to keep this video short. I know the shorter videos seem to get the more views, not so many likes. I mean, I wish people would hit that like button. I mean, I don't know what I have to do. I mean, I do get some people to comment, but I know, same old boring roads and same old boring scenery, but it's my boring roads and my boring scenery, and I bring that to you with the joy that it gives me to be out here in the breeze. Whether it's a nice 70-degree day with very low humidity and a halfway decent dew point, or if it's 98 degrees, oh, that's a nice house, or whether it's 98 degrees with a dew point of 131, I enjoy it. I enjoy the Florida weather. Bring the heat. Everybody's complaining, hey, when's it gonna cool off? Well, you know, you should have stayed up north if you wanted to cool off. Am I right? Prove me wrong. You go on the Fox 13, go on Paul Delgado's Facebook page. All the snowbirds are complaining, when's it gonna cool off? When's it gonna cool off? Hey, stay up north. It's nice and cool. Wow, somebody that actually signaled before they slammed on the brakes and went on the wrong side of the road like a lot of smart people down here do, so the traffic behind them doesn't slow down. You only go on the wrong side of the road when it's possible. Otherwise, you know, you're a hood ornament. But yeah, I think I might put some background music to this while I try to drown out the drone of my voice. And I'll just let you people enjoy the scenery. Or maybe I won't, because sometimes the canned music I choose just drowns out my voice. I've been meaning to play with the microphone settings in the camera to see if I can't get my voice to be a little louder because of where my microphone is placed. But the last time I tried doing that, it took me about, well, I want to say at least a dozen tries to get it back to where it sounded the way it sounds right now. Not sure what that was all about, but I think I will go +1 on the microphone settings just to get my voice a little louder. Oh yeah, by the way, I also got new not sunglasses, got new eyeglasses. And wow, everything's a bit clearer. Oh look, old Volkswagen bus, very nice. As the closing rate was about 100 miles an hour. Yeah, I got new eyeglasses. I got very moronic frames. I got dweeby frames. They're just basic black plastic crap. Fixed nose bridge. That's what I wanted. Do they fit inside the helmet? Well, they do fit inside the helmet, but it's a bit of a struggle because the earpieces are rubberized, so they stick to your head. Whether that was a good choice on my part or not, I have no flipping idea. Got a horse going in the water. I would love to live out here. I would love to not be able to hit my neighbor with spit. And I mean, geez, you take a left, and in a matter of, I don't know, mile, 2 miles, you're on State Road 70, and if you go east, you'll end up in Arcadia, and if you go west, you'll head up in Bradenton, Sarasota, in just minutes. But you know, a mile or two off the beaten path, and it's gorgeous. That's about it. I'm coming up to a stop sign up here real quick, and I think I've said what I've had to say for today's grumpy old man session. Like I said, stop sign real quick. So, I'm going to end this video now, unless something happens, and there'll be bonus footage, so don't click it off in case there is bonus footage. But anywho, how about a big thumbs up, and as usual, peace, and God bless.